Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can uninstall system update on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application. Once we have our settings application opened, we can go to the app setting. This one guys, tap on this app setting and you have to show the system apps on your Android phone. You can click on this icon and then you can click on show system apps. Okay, then click on OK. And after the system apps has appeared on your setting, you can scroll down. You have to find the software update. Where is it? Wait guys. Wait. Okay, this is the software update and we have to click on it. Then we have to clear the cache of the software update. You can click on this clear cache option. Then you can go back and click on the another software update. And here you can also clear the cache. And after you clear the cache of the software update, the system update on your Android phone will be uninstalled. And I hope this trick will work on your Android phone, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can uninstall system update on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.